Here are top practical tips to maintain a two-stroke bike like your favorite Yamaha RX100 RX135 RD350, especially useful in Indian riding conditions. Tip 1. Always use correct 2T oil. Use good quality 2T oil like Servo, Motel, HP, Yamalube. Maintain proper mixing ratio, usually 30 to 40 ml per liter for RX100. Avoid cheap or fake oil, it damages piston and crank. Tip 2. Keep fuel clean and fresh. Don't store petrol for too long. Avoid water contamination. Clean fuel tank once a year. Tip 3. Carburetor cleaning is must. Clean carb every 4 to 6 months. Check jets and pins for clogging. Adjust air, fuel screw properly for smooth pickup. Tip 4. Spark plug care. Clean or replace every 3,000 to 5,000 km. Use correct type, brands like NGK Bosch for RX100. Check gap for better ignition. Tip 5. Air filter maintenance. Clean foam filter regularly. Oil it lightly, if foam type. A choked filter reduces power and mileage. Tip 6. Gearbox oil change. Change every 3,000 kilometers. Use recommended grade like SAE 20W40 or 10W30. Smooth gear shifting depends on this. Tip 7. Avoid over-revving cold engine. Let engine warm up for 1 to 2 minutes. Ride gently for first to 2-3 km. Tip 8. Exhaust and silencer cleaning. Carbon buildup reduces power. Decarbonize silencer every 10,000 to 12,000 km. Tip 9. Monitor smoke and sound. Too much smoke is equal to excess oil or carb issue. Metallic noise is equal to piston, ring or bearing problem. Fix early to avoid engine seizure. Tip 10. Periodic engine health check. Check compression. Inspect piston rings at overhaul time. Timely rebuild saves money long term. Bonus tips for RX100 lovers. Avoid adulterated fuel. Use original or trusted spare parts. Don't convert to poor quality CDI ignition systems. Ride it often. Two strokes hate long inactivity.